If notifications aren't appearing on your Apple Watch 11, one of these settings is usually blocking them. First is open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then go to Notifications. Apple explains that notifications only appear on Apple Watch if they are enabled here. Make sure notifications indicator is on. You can see when alerts arrive. Scroll down and tap an effective app like Messages, WhatsApp, or Mail. Set notification to mirror my iPhone. Apple notes that if an app is set to custom or off, alerts may never reach the watch. Repeat this step for each important app. Check iPhone settings, then focus. Make sure Do Not Disturb Sleep or other focus modes aren't blocking notifications. Enable share across devices so notification rules sync correctly to the watch. Restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch to refresh notification syncing. After enabling notification mirroring, checking focus modes, and restarting, notifications should appear normally on your Apple Watch 11. This fixes most missing notification issues officially.